So as carpenter, then I started a general contracting company with a friend of mine who's also a carpenter.
Okay.
Unfortunately, it didn't do well. I decided to go back to school, which was I went to a fine woodworking school in California called the College of the Redwoods.
Oh, yeah.
And then I came back and kind of fell into a cabinet job.
Okay.
And then we were Beech Tree Building Company.
Is that when I met you?
Yep, it sure was. Yep. Still Beech Tree, and so I was still doing some general contracting. I think a little bit, but I was pretty solidly into the cabinet world. And then what happened? Things just evolved, and we started growing, and then we kind of endured the recession. And a solid wood slab on it will be custom scribed and custom installed for a custom butterfly. That little joint is a check stabilizer, so that's a split in the wood that will keep growing if you didn't stabilize it.
Oh, okay.
So it's decorative, yet it's functional.
Yeah, right.
What's that wood they use the butterfly for?
Cocobolo.
Cocobolo. So it's a walnut slab, locally sourced.
That's
Hot rift sawn white oak is hot.
what is it? I'm sorry.
Rift sawn white oak. It's a type of cut of oak.
Rift, R-I-F-T?
Mm-hmm.
Rift?
Sawn, like Sawyer sawn, S-A-W-N.
Okay.
White oak.
Wow.
We do a lot of that. We do cherries coming back. We're starting to do
They're hardwood?
Cherry in general?
Yeah.
Are these hardwoods?
Yeah.
Well,
they're all
firs no. Firs is
first
softwood.
not. The cherry oak
And rift sawn white
and
oak.
walnut.
Yep, they're all hard. We push alder because it's our northwest hardwood. It was widely considered a weed 15 years ago. Now it's you see it fairly prevalently. We like it because we can get it. It's economical. It's sustainable. Takes a stain well. It's beautiful, and it's local. Super local.
Get the drawer fronts mounted on there.